So I wanted to make a video, but I didn't know what to make it about, so I just came to this place that's behind my high school I don't really know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to eat some tomatoes, apples, lettuce, and grapes, and just talk about whatever I feel like. So, yeah, this is content. Start with some tomatoes. Oh, yeah, I broke my wrist. Pretty okay tomato. 6 out of 10. 10 being very good. 5 being I will eat it again, and 6 being yum. Let's have some more. Nope. Yeah. If you don't like tomatoes, well, it's your loss because they're good for you. They're very tasty. They're got lots of vitamins. They burn sugar, and they're just very good for you. In a trash can or some stuff. Well, yeah. Like I said, I have no idea what I want to talk about at all. So I just say what's gonna come to my mind whenever I feel like it. Let's see. I just turned off the camera and switched hands so I can pick stuff correctly. Yeah. I'm just sort of walking around right now. I don't really know what to talk about or what I want to talk. I hate this plant so much. If you don't see, it has all these little grapples on it. So let's say I wanted to put my shirt on it. It'd get caught. I don't even know if you can see that, whatever. It's annoying. Anytime I walk by, it gets my shirt caught, and then the little thingies get stuck inside my shirt, and then I have to pick them out one by one. I don't know if what I'm doing right now is legal, because there's like a camera over there. I'm pretty sure these are students' plants, because they have names on them. And they aren't very professional. Because I'm a master gardener, so I know what I'm talking about here. Okay, that got cut in my hair too. That's annoying. That's very annoying. I'm gonna try to find some grapes. I kind of like what I'm doing right now, you know? I'll make this a nice little, oh, there's some grapes. I'm gonna make this, oh, there are a lot in here. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna make this a series. It's gonna be called Arnold's Thoughts, plus fruits and veggies. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna just collect a ton of fruits and veggies, like these unripe grapes, and just gonna set them down and talk, you know?
I'm not actually watching what I'm recording, I'm just picking stuff and hoping that I catch what I'm picking, but not really. My hand's sort of just staying stable right now because I can't really maneuver it the way I would with my wrist. So. Usually I'm not making teeth second person, so.
As you can see, we have my snacks here. Veggies. Veggies are the sponsor of this video. As you can see, this lettuce has been sitting out here in the sun all day long, all summer long, and it's dying. I used to come up here and it'd be all green and I'd be like, nom nom nom, but now it's just flakes. That's pretty fun. There's actually a lot of gardening tools here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the school's. Yep, but beautiful day out. The sun's going down. Before I came here, I was watching The Jungle Book. Disney animated version, not the new one. Yeah. What would you call this type of video? Like a vlog? It's not a vlog. It's not a vlog. What would it be? It's going. It doesn't want to be eaten. It'd rather take its own life. Just realized that this thing's broken. Yeah, but there's so many spots in my neighborhood where you can literally just go and, like, pick apples and stuff. Blackberries. I used to have a blueberry spot, but then they cut the bush to the point where I couldn't, pick the blueberries anymore. She's like, you weren't eating them. I was. Let's see. Entertainment gold right there. It's actually really nice out right now. I've got some grapes. It's not too hot, not too cold. It's peaceful. Yeah. If only summer lasted forever. But no, it doesn't. School sucks, you know? They literally waste your time. Half of the stuff you learn, you forget the next day. 5% of the stuff you learn is useful. Such as nuclear survival class. I actually think that's a thing in some states, Alabama. And 45% of the stuff you learn, you're not actually learning. It just goes straight through your ear, out the other ear. Supposedly, if you want to be successful, you have to go to school for another 4 years after that, which ends up to 16 years. 16 years in school. So you're like 23 at that time. By that time, you have thousands of dollars in student loans. You're struggling to find a job that you like. You want to get married, but nobody loves you. And you would be successful if you didn't spend all of your time in college screwing around. Or you can move to Canada. Now, Canada is beautiful. It's actually a really nice year. Got a nice sunset starting up. Some kind of bird. Yeah. They're gone. It's just all of this crap attached to the berries. I don't even want it. It's like the bad stuff, you know? Oh. But yeah. I'm gonna head to my next spot. There's another person coming in, and I'll leave.